Okay, Unit 27, Pipe Threads. American National Standard Pipe Threads. Pipe threads are used in many industrial applications where pressure, tight joint, or mechanical connection is required. Various styles of pipe threads are commercially available for use. Two types of pipe threads are approved as American National Standard or National Standard as they are often referred to. They are tapered pipe threads designed by initials NPT and straight pipe threads designed as NPS. Both thread series have the same 60-degree thread angle and the same pitch. A variety of tapered and straight pipe thread sizes are available, depending on the design, function, and joint requirements. Some applications require a pressure-tight joint for sealing, while other applications may need a mechanical joint. Pressure-tight pipe joints may fall into one of two categories. 1. Joints that provide gas or liquid pressure tightness when assembled with a sealer. 2. Joints that provide gas or liquid pressure tightness when assembled without sealer. This type of pipe thread assembly is called a dry seal pressure tight joint. Dry seal threads are used in automotive, aircraft, and marine applications. Mechanical joints are threaded assemblies that are pressure tight. Mechanical joints may be rigid or loose. Rigid joints are used for rail fittings. Loose joints are used on fixture assemblies on hose coupling connections. So tapered pipe threads are recommended for general use. They have standard taper per foot of 0.75 and a thread angle of 60 degrees. The taper of thread ensures easily starting into a tight joint when assembled. Tapered pipe threads are specified on engineering drawings with the letter NPT, so it's National Pipe Thread. The following system of letters is used to designate American National Standard tapered pipe threads and common applications. So NPT is the most common commercially available thread for pipe fittings, and values. NPT thread form can be used for mechanical joints or pressure tight joints capable of preventing liquid or gas leakage when a sealer is applied. NPTR this thread is used for applications where rigid mechanical railing joint is required. NPTF this thread is used for applications where it is desired to have pressure tight joint with the use of a sealer applied to the threads. NPTF pipe forms are known as dry seal threads. PTS-SAE short, this thread is the same as NPTF, except it is shortened by one thread. PTS-SAE short threads are used for dry seal threads and extra clearance is required. So then you got straight pipe threads. They are parallel to the axis of thread. The thread form is the same as American National Standard taper pipe thread. The number of threads per inch, thread angle, and thread depth is the same as tapered version. Straight pipe thread fittings may be used for pressure tight joints or mechanical joints. However, straight pipe pressure tight fittings should only be used in low pressure situations. The following systems of letters is used to designate American National Standard threads in common applications. So you got NPSC. This type of thread is used on couplings where a low pressure tight joint is required. NPSM, used in loose fitting mechanical joint applications where no internal pressure exists. NPSL, this type of thread is used for loose fitting mechanical joints where maximum diameter pipe is required. NPSF, this thread is a dry seal thread and is used for internal applications only. NPSF threads are generally cut in soft or ductile material and used for fuel lines. NPSI, this thread is also a dry seal thread used for internal applications. It is similar to the NPSF thread but is slightly larger in diameter and is used in hard or brittle materials. Representation of pipe threads. Pipe threads are usually represented on drawings in schematic or simplified form. Views of internal and external pipe threads are drawn the same as unified threads discussed on previous units. The taper of pipe thread is not normally shown unless needed. When a view is tapered pipe thread providing on a drawing, the amount of taper is generally exaggerated to provide clarity. Specification of pipe threads. American National Standard pipe threads are specified on drawings using sequence of numbers and letters. This thread specification should include the nominal size, the number of threads per inch, the thread series and thread form. Additional information such as minimum length of thread engagement and dimensions for countersink chamfer may include the end symbol or note of the drawing. Thread specifications are called out of the print using a leader line and note. So 14 a quarter, 18 NPS. And then here would be your assignment.